2026 Annual Business Plan Meeting, first session. This was an annual business meeting hosted by Ebere Okoye of Wealth Building CPA, featuring her professional colleague Joy Sistrunk of Premier Group CPA firm. The meeting focused on discussing the current economic challenges and strategies for wealth building during difficult times. Ebere and Joy discussed how the economy is experiencing typical cyclical downturns, emphasizing the importance of diversifying income sources, learning new skills like AI, and expanding professional networks. They addressed common investor challenges, including underestimating repair costs, improper entity structuring, and cash flow issues with rental properties. The discussion covered various investment opportunities, including AI stocks, gold ETFs, and the benefits of having both taxable and tax-deferred income sources. Ebere shared her firm's expansion into bookkeeping services and business stock accounts, while Joy explained her work with government contractors and nonprofits on audits and accounting needs. The conversation ended with emphasis on diversifying both investments and professional networks as key strategies for long-term wealth building.
Here's everything they discussed, sectioned by topic. Topic 1, Real Estate Investment Strategies Discussion. The discussion featured Ebere Okoye, a CPA with over 30 years of experience who specializes in real estate investment strategies. Ebere Okoye explained that the DMV area is resilient due to strong employment, demand, and long-term appreciation, and emphasized the importance of proper entity structuring and timing in real estate investments. She highlighted that her unique perspective as both an accountant and real estate investor allows her to provide strategic tax planning advice to clients, and mentioned that her daughter now works with her as a professional colleague in the family business.
Topic 2, Economic Challenges and Coping Strategies. The meeting focused on discussing the current state of the economy and strategies for coping with economic challenges. Participants, including Joy Sistrunk from Premier Group CPA firm, discussed how inflation, job scarcity, and rising costs are affecting individuals and families. The discussion emphasized the importance of diversifying income sources, expanding skill sets, and adapting to new opportunities, with examples shared about expanding business services to include bookkeeping and investing in various revenue streams. The conversation highlighted the need for individuals to increase their capacity to earn income through multiple means, including side hustles and additional job opportunities. Topic 3, AI and Economic Challenges Discussion. Fred shared his perspective on current economic challenges, comparing them to the difficult period in the late 1970s and early 1980s, and highlighted the potential of AI as a transformative tool. Ebere discussed the importance of adapting to change, using the example of Netflix and Blockbuster, and expressed excitement about AI's potential for their CPA business. Joy emphasized that AI should be viewed as a tool for efficiency rather than a threat, drawing parallels to previous technological transitions and encouraging the group to embrace new opportunities. Topic 4, Economic Challenges Management Strategies. Discussion focused on practical advice for managing economic challenges, with Fred cautioning about the importance of verifying AI-generated content and recommending prompt engineering skills. Ebere addressed real estate investors specifically, emphasizing the normal cyclical nature of economic ups and downs, while encouraging diversification and financial preparedness. The conversation ended with Ebere asking Joy about the ease of retooling. Topic 5, AI Skills and Income Diversification. The discussion focused on learning AI skills in retirement and income diversification strategies. Joy advised that learning new skills requires a positive mindset and emphasized that older individuals have already overcome significant challenges. The conversation then shifted to discussing different types of income, taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-exempt, and how to evaluate real estate properties for appreciation value. The discussion concluded with advice about managing property taxes and rent increases, including the possibility of refinancing or using retirement account loans to address cash flow issues. Topic 6, Real Estate and Stock Investments. The group discussed real estate investment strategies with a focus on rent assessment and tenant management.
Joyce agreed with the approach of not increasing rent yearly and allowing tenants to see the increases coming. The conversation then shifted to stock market investments, where Eric highlighted that many professionals lack education about investing in the stock market, particularly in AI-related companies and energy providers. Eric emphasized that the stock market has a lower barrier to entry than real estate and can be a significant wealth generator, noting the current political environment supports market growth.
Topic 7. Gold ETF investment strategies. A. Barre discussed investing in gold ETFs as a way to diversify investments without directly managing a gold mining business. She explained her research into gold ETF performance and her decision to work with a financial planner for expert advice on these investments. A. Barre also emphasized the importance of diversifying beyond real estate into other investment quadrants and encouraged attendees to consider working with a financial planner for portfolio analysis and stock account setup. Topic 8. Setting up children's investment accounts. The group discussed setting up stock accounts for children and grandchildren, with A. Barre recommending working with a financial planner rather than going it alone. A. Barre advised researching gold ETFs and AI infrastructure ETFs, emphasizing the importance of understanding risk and reward before investing. The discussion highlighted the value of starting a relationship with a financial planner at a young age, with A. Barre sharing how their own children have accounts set up through their financial planner. Topic 9. Youth financial planning strategy. A. Barre discussed the importance of starting financial planning early and recommended connecting young people with financial advisors their age, offering to connect her daughter Ray as an option. A. Barre explained her business strategy of setting aside percentages of business income for investment after tax seasons to ensure financial stability and growth, both for the business and their foundation goal of creating a $1 million endowment fund. The discussion concluded with plans to introduce Joy to Ure for financial planning consultation and an overview of how different CPAs can collaborate rather than compete in their respective businesses.
Topic 10. Government Contractor Financial Services Discussion. Joy discussed her firm's work with government contractors and nonprofits, sharing an example of helping a DC nonprofit after their CFO's sudden departure by serving as interim CFO and helping them reassess their needs. The discussion included a question about tax implications of trading stocks within an IRA, which Joy clarified would not create a taxable event as long as the money remains in the IRA. Edith expressed interest in being considered for a shadow account, and the conversation ended with a brief discussion about diversification strategies.
Final topic: real estate tax strategies. The meeting focused on tax strategies for real estate and rental properties, where Barry explained cost segregation and paying management fees to solo 401ks as tax deferral methods. Joy, a CPA, provided final comments about diversifying income opportunities and being open to new ways of increasing income. Barry emphasized the importance of networking and diversifying relationships, sharing an example of her daughter being invited as a panelist for an event with Horace from Beauty in Black on June 27th.